I think that the insurance market faces the same challenges that all the other industries are facing as well. And that is with the convergence of technologies and the fast-moving world, consumers are changing and our needs are changing both on an individual basis and a business basis. And to catch up with the pace and to be able to respond to those new demands and new needs and new preferences, it's a real challenge for every industry. And I think insurance is just joining that race. Insurance is based on data, and because it's based on data, obviously the most impact will be with the data-driven technologies, which would be artificial intelligence, machine learning, and etc. However, my big interest right now is in blockchain technologies. I'm a real enthusiast of the technology, and I really believe that there are many opportunities for this technology to really take the insurance space to the next level. You see, my take is that we as consumers will be even more digital humans, and therefore, as consumers, we will consume the world as an ecosystem, and therefore, insurance needs to become a part of that ecosystem. So we are not, in my opinion, in a few years, we will not talk about industries anymore. We will talk about experiences, we will talk about the value we are delivering to the end consumers or B2B companies as well. So in that way, I think that the whole ecosystem coming together and understanding how you can add value in that is the challenge that we all will work on. Digital transformation, which is a natural thing to adopt, right? So if you have even more digital environment around you, you need to respond to that. It's obviously coming with a lot of challenges like the culture shift and the talent that is needed there, etc., right? And obviously, on one hand, it's an internal innovation that needs to happen. So there is a lot of change with leadership and the culture and whatnot happening inside incumbents. But also, I believe that the only way for them to succeed is to work with the external world. So we have the insurtech companies that, are coming and changing the ecosystem. They may not win the race, but they definitely changing the ecosystem. So by collaboration, partnerships, and bringing, the strengths together and creating greater good is the thing forward and the way forward, I believe. I had an opportunity to run and moderate a panel today, and I really was inspired by, having the opportunity to share your experience. We all come here with a very different experience. We all are in our own environment, experimenting and doing a lot of test and learn activities. But you can only do that much in 24 hours. When you come to the event like that and you can share your experience with others and get the experience on the other side, not only you can save time and money and whatnot, what you've already, what other did, and you can learn from that, but you can also obviously contribute to the environment. And so in that way, the innovation is happening faster, and so the whole ecosystem benefits. So, whether this will be insurance, insurtech, all the other ecosystem companies, but at the end of the day, the end consumer.